In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set line type scale for layout in AutoCAD. If your dashed, center, or hidden lines look different from one viewport to another, or they don't match what you expect on your layout, this quick setup will make them consistent and predictable. First, make sure you're looking at a layout, not just the Model tab. In a layout, the variable that controls how line types appear across viewports is called PSLTSCALE. Type PSLTSCALE on the command line, press enter, and set it to 1. This tells AutoCAD to scale line types in paper space units, so they appear the same regardless of the viewport scale. If it was previously set to 0, different viewport scales could make the same dashed line look tighter in one window and very spaced out in another. After changing that, type regen and press enter. Regen forces AutoCAD to rebuild what you see, applying your new setting to all viewports in the layout. It's a simple step, but it's what locks in the change you just made. Next, for consistent behavior between model space and paper space, verify that PSLTSCALE is set to 1. Type PSLTSCALE, press enter, and enter. With PSLTSCALE set to 1, line types in model space respond to the current annotation scale, which helps ensure your dash patterns feel consistent as you change scales. If it's off, you may see different dash lengths in model space that don't align with what you see on your layout. Now adjust the global line type scale with LTSCALE. Type LTSCALE, press enter, and set a value that matches your drawing's annotation scale. For example, if you're annotating at 1/1 set LTSCALE to 50. If you're at 1/100, set it to 100. This value controls the overall length of dashes and spaces, so aligning it with your annotation scale keeps patterns readable at the size you intend to plot. If your office standard calls for a specific value, use that. Once you've set LTSCALE, run regen again to update the display. At this point, your layout should show consistent line type patterns across all viewports, no matter their individual scales. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure objects actually have a non-continuous line type assigned, and confirm that individual objects aren't using unusual object line type scales that override the global setting. Also, remember that very small viewports or extreme scales can make patterns look nearly continuous. In those cases, a small tweak to LTSCALE can improve visibility. That's it. With PSLTSCALE at 1, PSLTSCALE at 1, and LTSCALE set to your annotation scale, you'll get reliable, consistent line type display in your layouts.